Hello everyone, let's see an easiest way to approach any coding problem. So this is integer to Roman problem. It is March Leetcoding Challenge 2021 day 10. So what the problem is, we have to convert any number to Roman number. Given an integer, convert it to a Roman numeral. So we were given a number and we have to convert it to the Roman letter. So here are the rules to convert it. So suppose that this is not a coding problem. Someone gave this to solve to us by manually. So how we can solve this? We know this simple 3 4 9 up to 10, but for this type of larger number we have to calculate this. How we manually calculate this? Okay, so first we see it's over 50, so we will first put L for 50. So now we have 8, and to 8 which is greater than 5, so 5, and for the rest of the 3 for this problem it is greater than 100. So first we put m, then less 100, and then we have 994, and for that, for 900 we then put cm here, and then the rest of the 94, for the 90 we put xc, then for the 4 we put iv. So we have to apply the same approach here. So how we can do that? So let's say it is our response equal, this is string. So till what condition we have to proceed? So while num greater than 0, if 0 we have to stop it. While num greater than 0, then we have to apply all the conditions. If num is greater than or equal to 1000, then what we will do, we will subtract the 1000 from the number and add it to the response m. So response equals m. For the same, else if num is greater than or equal to 900, then we will subtract num minus 900 and add it the response, and that string is cm, so that is cm. So for the every position we have to apply the condition. So to reduce the video, I will just copy this all conditions from here. So it will check from the first place. So if it's greater than 1000, then it will check this condition and skip rest of the all. If it is less than 1000, then it will go to next condition. This is why we can write elif. So for 500 we will reduce subtract 500 and add d to the response. For 400 add cd, 100, 90, 50, 40, 10, 9, 5, 4 and 1, and finally we will return the response. So let's check this solution. This is working. Let's check for some other condition. 1994. Run. It is working. Let's submit it. It is accepted. So this is completely accepted solution. But if you see here, there are lots of conditions. Else if. So if we observe, there are only two values which are changing here: 1000 m, 900 cm, 500 d. Rest everything is the same. So we can use while loop and these values in arrays to reduce the size of the code and complexity. So we can use two arrays, one for letters and one for numbers. In letters, we will add all this value: 500, 400, 100, 90, 50. And in numbers, letters, we will add M, CM, D, CD, C, XXVII. So again, let's copy this. So this is just these values and its associated letters. So instead of this whole section, we can simply add a condition: while num is greater than or equal to numbers of pointer. So we need a pointer. So let's define one here. Pointer equals 0 to track of these values each. Pointer 1, 2, 3, 4. So because if we pass this value once, it will never be, we can never get that value back. So that's why it is required for only one time. So if this number is greater than equal to the this number, pointer, then subtract it from number and add its associated letter to our response. So until if it is 2000, then it will run for one time, and since it is greater than 100, greater than or equal to 100, then it will run again and less 100 one more time. So now this is done. So we have to increment a pointer. So pointer plus equals 1. So this will run through the last of the array, and when it will become 0, it will stop the loop and our answer will be returned. So let's check this solution. Number is not defined, so it's just S is missing. So the solution is working. Let's submit it. It's accepted. So this is a shorter version of that previous solution. This is the final solution. Thank you for watching this video.